Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the sound problem on an iPhone 4S. I think it's the same on an iPhone 4. So basically what it does, as you can see, if we press these volume buttons, nothing happens, and if you wanna play some media, you will hear no sound. And the slider here for the volume won't come up, and so on. So what happened is that your connector here has some issues. Maybe it got dirty or something. uh, I know it seems crazy, but I will clean this up, and then we will see if we got sound. So I will use this brush and some alcohol. So I will put some alcohol here, and now I will try to clean this connector very well inside. Now you don't want to put alcohol directly in here, because it can go to your LCD on the backlight, and you will see some I don't know what to call it. You will see some weird stuff here. Your LCD will look bad. So don't spray any alcohol in here. Just spray it on your brush, and then with your brush you can just clean it like this. Try to clean it very well. Even if it seems very clean, just do this, because mine seems very clean, even before I did the cleaning. So let's make a try. I will just put it now to my charger, because I think the battery went dead. I have a pretty bad battery inside here. Oh, there it goes. So still nothing happened. I'll just try to clean it a bit more. Sorry for that. My camera just slided. There it goes. As you can see, it's working. So just clean this charging port, and I hope you will solve your problem. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.